Hey guys, sorry about that. This is now the second part, so I don't feel like redoing the first part. Okay, so let's get in here. Got me some shiznit right here. We're on the floor now because I don't feel like standing up and doing this. Actually, let's do it anyways. Let's close the fridge because that's bad for some reason. Okay. Let's take some hurry up. Stuff that in there. That's all I want out of here. God, you make it seem like there's ice. No. Alright. Let's keep going in the fridge. Whoa, look at here. There's some more shit. I can't open it, so fuck it. Some Jack Daniels. Good. Oh, what's in the back? Some mustard. Unsealed. Well, that's just... You can stare at that while I'm doing this. Fucking mustard. Shoo. Yeah, just, there's some mustard sauce there. Get some mustard in there. Yeah. Doesn't that look scrumdiddlyumptious? Oh, yeah. Well, there's some right there. See that Hershey's bar? See this Hershey's bar? I'm not as crazy as I used to be. Throw that down in there. Yeah, it's delicious. Okay, what else? Bud Light and gin. Nothing would go better with this than Butters. It's just, just scrape that off. Just shake some of that Butters. Oh yeah, some of that butter. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Fuck it. Just close the butter. Smuckers, no. Gotta look at the freezer now. What's in the freezer? What's in the fucking freezer now? Not a damn thing good. Well, I think that's about all I can put on there. But let's just like, fuck it. Just, we gotta open this motherfucker up. Ow, my fucking finger. Alright. Let's do this then. Just sit there and just watch and learn. Oh yeah, got this shit good. Who cares? Yeah, pretty damn good. Not fucking wet. That was tough. No, got me some of this cucumber. It's good. It's good for the eye. No, it's good. It's good for the. It's good for the eye. Very good. Carrot. Okay, let's mix this up. That doesn't work either. Need something to hammer down on it. I got me one of these. Yeah, it should be a lot easier if I had more than one hand. Ugh. Ugh. Does that look good? I think that looks great. Ugh. We got a new blender, but I won't use that until the third part. So we haven't even opened it up yet to test it out. Or else I'd be using the blender. Ugh, I hate mustard, but let's do it anyways. Yeah, that looks great, huh? Yeah. I missed. Alright. Let's use the fucking fork that I got buttery. And you know, let's put all this up and let's eat this first. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, come over here where I do my reviews and shiznit and just, you know, just, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Just, no. Just, no, okay. Yeah, give me a Pepsi standby. Yeah, no. Yeah. Looks great. Looks scrumptious. Looks fucking scrumptious. Smells like goodness. You know what's good when you can taste the butter and the carrot and just get all that. It just tastes so good. No. Don't eat that. Damn right. So I'm once. Making a mess of myself. Make sure it's all stirred up and shit. So good. No good with this chocolate bar. Tastes great. Tastes fucking great. Yeah, so you think I can't eat all this in one bite? You think I can't? Well, you're right. This shit's fucking disgusting. Except for the chocolate bar that tastes like fucking mustard and shit. I missed it. Tastes great. Fucking scrumptious as fuck. How long was that cat there? Anyways, I'm not a messy eater. Bye!